Hey, I'm Jet with ProLine range hoods, and today we got something exciting to share. Two of our most popular range hoods, the PLJW 185 and the PLJW 104, are now available in our black stainless steel. This finish has a modern look and it's a great way to make your kitchen stand out. But here's the thing. With a premium finish like this, how you care for it really makes a big difference. Black stainless is a little different from traditional stainless because the surface is coated. The darker layer gives it a bold look, but it also means it can be prone to showing fingerprints and it's easier to scratch or dull if you use the wrong products. First, let's cover what not to do. Avoid harsh chemicals like ammonia or vinegar, and definitely skip the abrasive pads. Even paper towels aren't your friend. They'll most likely damage the surface of your stainless steel. Instead, stick with a microfiber cloth like the one I have here. Wipe with the grain, use a gentle cleaner that's safe for stainless and won't leave streaks. Our friends at Z-Line gave us this oil-based stainless steel cleaner. It's just a good example of the kind of product that works well because it's gentle and it leaves a nice and even shine. So first we're gonna give this cleaner a quick shake. So now that we have our stainless steel cleaner ready to go, we're going to apply directly onto the surface of the black stainless steel. So then we're gonna take our non-abrasive cloth and we're gonna apply it to the surface of the stainless steel and make sure that you wipe with the grain to avoid any damages. Now we take the dry side of the cloth and we give one more wipe just to make sure we get all those fingerprints or smudges off. And that's all there really is to it. With the right care, your black stainless hood will keep its striking look for years to come. We are so excited to be introducing more finishes like this, and we can't wait to hear what you think. And if you're ready to find the best range hood for your home, visit our catalog at ProLineRangeHoods.com. And thank you so much for watching.